Hey, we got a special treat for you guys. This thing is gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. That low end V4 grunt, man, it's just like, it's not like any other bike that you would really ride. Hey, we got a special treat for you guys. You guys already know that I have ridden the RSV4 on the track at Pit Race, but today I will be graciously test riding Mr. 650 Eve's 2022 RSV4 1100 factory. This is the factory. I did not ride the factory at Pit Race. I rode the regular one, and now I have an opportunity to ride this beast of a bike that he just unveiled today. Let's get on his bike, man, because this is going to be pretty freaking dope. All right, this is quite a treat to have, man. This bike is epic. I've ridden Eve's 1100 factory, his 2019, but I have not ridden the 2022. So let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up, shall we? Woo! Oh my God! That is a different type of rumble when you turn this thing on. This screen is nice and big. Oh man, this thing sounds epic. Epic, epic, epic. Oh, it turns pretty good. I think Eve told me that he had this lowered, so it handles like a lowered bike almost. Oh, this feels good, man. Now, when I rode the RSV4 1100 on track, obviously it's a completely different application. Just got to make sure I get used to this GP shift. It's a completely different application, but on the street, I'm not really feeling like that low end power like I remember. But again, I'm not, coming into a corner or exiting a corner. That's where you really feel the low down power on this V4. But on the street right now, it seems pretty tame. But I know after like 10,000, 11,000 RPMs, this thing is going to become an absolute beast. Oh my gosh. Oh, that second gear. Woo! Handles pretty good. The mirrors are actually not too bad. It's good for a quick glance. Not good to see everything behind you. Wow. 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 Wow, this has definitely got some freaking power. Holy crap. Let's pull over into here real quick. Give you guys a nice little view of this bike. This thing is gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Just listen to this. Oh my gosh. 650, I really appreciate you letting me ride this, man. GP shift. I'm definitely going to switch to challenge to GP shift whenever I'm stopped being lazy. Quick little pull here. Dang. This thing feels amazing. That low end V4 grunt, man, it's just like, it's not like any other bike that you would really ride. This thing feels so good. Quick shifter has like it seems like a tad bit delay. I gotta see if Eve got this flash from Brent Tuning, which I'm pretty sure he did. This thing feels excellent. I like this bike a lot. I really want to get another bike to go with the challenge, another leader bike, I should say. And it's really a toss-up between this and the K67. Oh my god, that sound is just amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Quick little test ride. What a machine this is, man. Gee whiz. Bikes are absolutely excellent, and it was actually a little bit more comfortable than what I remember as well too. But again, big shout out to 650E. Let me test ride his bike. This is an awesome machine here, and hope to have one for myself one day, man. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna make some more content with Eve, and I will catch you guys in the next episode, people. Ride safe and peace out.